Hi, and thank you for watching this video. I am Piero, Head of Research and Development at SecPoint, and I'm here to show you some of the features of the new Penetrator 16. One of the new features is an improved data entry for the scan IPs and host names. If you start a new audit scan, here you can enter the scan name. Click on Next. Then here you can enter your IP or host name. The new feature is an improvement in the way you can enter directories and ports in this field. You can enter your host name, for example, and specify a subdirectory to scan in this way. Now the penetrator will add the host name and will automatically add the directory in the list of directories to scan that you can see later in the advanced setup. The same way you can add port numbers. In this way you enter the IP address and then you can enter a list of ports. You can enter a single port or a list of ports separated with a comma, or a range of ports separated with a dash. Once again, if you press Add, here the penetrator will add the IP address and the ports will be added in the list of ports to scan, and you can see that in the next step. And this is the summary of our scan. We have this host name, and for it we have this directory to scan, and then we have this IP address, and for it we have two ports and a port range. You may have noticed that the penetrator has added this virtual host automatically. This will be done automatically by the penetrator for each host name you want to scan. We have also added more information about scans in progress. You can see here the percentage of progress of each scan, and if you click, you can view the details. So the progress is computed as an average of the progress of each IP if the scan is composed by more than one IP. You will also see the number of risks that have been detected by the penetrator while the scan is in progress. In this example, we can see the penetrator showing the risks for a scan that is still running. A further improvement in the creation of a scan is in the scheduled scan. Here, when you create a new scan and select monthly frequency, you can choose between month days or weekdays. You can also select one or more days by holding the Ctrl key pressed. Another improvement is in the function to change the system IP. If you go to the advanced menu, then you click on System, IP Gateway and DNS. Here, if you want, you can change the system IP of your penetrator or even switch to a dynamic IP. If you make any change here now, the penetrator will immediately set the new values without asking you to reboot. If you change the IP of the penetrator, you will be logged out. Instead, if you change any other of these values, the penetrator will restart the services with the new values without logging you out. You can read all details about this version of the penetrator in the release notes document that you can download from our website. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.